Light, durable, and cost-effective. This is the world-famous walking tractor. Small body, big function. It's your perfect helper for farm, orchard, dry land, and paddy field. Lightweight, flexible turning. Easy to work in small fields, terraces, greenhouses, and orchards. Simple operation, easy to learn. Everyone can use it without professional training. Strong passability, no stuck in paddy field, no slip in dry land. Powerful diesel engine, strong torque, perfect for plowing, rototilling, ditching, and seeding. Low fuel consumption, low failure rate, strong and reliable. Reinforced gearbox and chassis, wear-resistant and long service life. Match with rotary tiller, plow, harrow, seeder, trailer, and more tools. One machine does all farming work: plowing, sowing, fertilizing, harvesting, transporting. Small investment, fast payback. If you are in need of such a machine, please feel free to call the number below to contact us. This is Shanghai Honggang Machinery Manufacturing Co. Limited. We have more than 10 years of export experience, and we guarantee to deliver the products you need to you quickly and safely.